Insurers and banks are warning of a crucial window of opportunity to resurrect Lismore after devastating floods is in danger of closing. In a letter to the New South Wales Premier last month, the Chief of the Insurance Council of Australia and Australian Banking Association advised the government to identify key actions, resources and timing for any rebuild. Andrew Hall and Anna Bligh warned without government direction, residents and business owners will either leave the region or use insurance payouts and government grants to reinvest in areas which could later be considered uninhabitable.